everyone, thanks for joining me today. In today's video we are making an easy breakfast crockpot casserole. I will show you exactly what you need for this video. Stick around to the end, let's get cooking. So we have our salt, our pepper, our sharp cheddar cheese, some sour cream, some eggs, some frozen hash browns, some peppers, and some sausage. So we're going to brown our sausage, and I usually do it for around 4 minutes. I do actually brown my sausage in my Instant Pot because it just works out better for me that way, and it's also easier for me to film. The nice thing about the Instant Pot is you can saute things. Then you're going to add your pepper and stir, and usually it takes about 4 minutes for the meat to get brown. So go ahead and use some spray for your crock pot. Just spray it around evenly. And then we're going to start adding our ingredients. First, we're going to add our frozen hash browns. So we're going to make layers in our crock pot. So we're going to start with the frozen hash browns and just spread them around evenly. Evenly spread the hash browns around. These hash browns also have some extra green pepper and red pepper. Next, we're going to add our sharp cheddar cheese. So again, we're just going to be layering. So I put the entire amount that I needed in the measuring cup, and I'm just going to add a nice little layer on top of my hash brown. Next, we're going to add our sausage mixture, which has more of the green and red pepper in it. One thing I'm really loving about this dish are the colors. So I'm just going to continue adding the layers of the hash browns and the cheese and the sausage mixture until I run out. So just generously do that. And then in a separate bowl, I'm going to mix 12 eggs along with my sour cream, which is a half a cup. So just dump your sour cream into the eggs. After you do that, take your whisker and mix the eggs and the sour cream together. So again, we're going to mix the sour cream and the eggs together. You'll want to add some salt and some pepper at this point. Not too much, and again, I don't really use too much salt. After we add the sour cream, we're going to add the milk, and then we're going to start whisking together. So again, we're doing the eggs, the sour cream, and the milk, a dash of salt, a dash of pepper, and then we're going to take our whisker and whisk everything together. Make sure the eggs get nice and broken up, but don't do it too hard. Just, gently whisk everything together. Once you're done, you're going to take that egg mixture and pour it over your hash brown mix. So with the sausage and the potato and the pepper, just pour it all over. Mix it around. And like I said, do the best you can with the whisking. Sometimes it's hard and there's still little clumps, but it'll still work out just fine. Once the egg mixture is in the crock pot, go ahead and put another thin layer of your sharp cheddar cheese on top of the mixture. You're going to place the lid on the crock pot and set the crock pot at high temperature. Or you can also set it for low temperature. Set it for high for 2 to 3 hours or low for 6 to 8 hours. This is how mine looked after about 2.5 hours. I would definitely recommend that you go the full entire length. I say this just in case you don't like your eggs runny. You'll definitely want to cook it for the full time, whether it's on low or high. I definitely recommend that. And just mix it up and stir, and it's really, really tasty. You can also cook this overnight, depending if you like to cook things in the crock pot overnight, or you can cook it during the day. So easy, so good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like easy recipes, subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell button so you are notified each time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the next video. Bye!